The road to mutual success. Welcome to Changlu Hardware Industrial Park. Changlu focused on hardware tools for 30 years. The industrial park covers an area of 41,000 square meters, construction area of 51,000 square meters, with modern high-altitude cargo hold, cargo distribution area of 30,000 square meters. The whole country has 6 production bases, more than 80 trademarks and patents, over 5,000 SKUs, more than 5,000 domestic partners, sell well in more than 60 countries worldwide, with 3,000 square meters of product display center, 4,000 square meters of operation center, set data command center, new materials, new product research and development, science and technology talent incubation and training in one of the Science and Technology Research and Development Center, Machining Center, Injection Molding Center, Product Packaging Center, Material Distribution Center. Quality comes from the standard. The standard height determines the quality height. Changlu will carefully make every product. Continue to make progress for Chinese post to the world.